Continuing that, one more example I'm giving you, which is the northeastern part of India. As you can see, it's a northeastern part. Okay, so when Bay of Bengal branch wind, which is coming with the wind, which is coming from the monsoon winds coming from the Bay of Bengal branch, when they enter in India from the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, when they enter in India from the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, then what happened? These winds, as these winds move ahead, they come in a contact with the which hills are there, which basically playing a role as a barrier. You can see it is written here. If you go in detail, you can check it. It is written Garo, Khasi and Jayantia hills. I hope you can see that it is visible. Okay, so there is Garo, Khasi and Jayantia hills. Okay, so when Bay of Bengal branch winds enter in India from the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, as these winds proceed, there are three hills which are playing role as a barrier, okay, in Meghalaya, which is Garo, Khasi, Jayantia. That is why these hills are playing role as a barrier. So these hills stop these Bay of Bengal branch, obstruct these Bay of Bengal branch wind, and this part, windward side, the part of these hills which are facing these winds, this part receive heaviest rainfall in the world. Okay, this part receive heavy rainfall, and this is world's most heaviest rainfall region, which I've shaded with pencil. You can see that. Okay, so this is, here we have the place Monsinram. Okay, in Cherrapunji in Meghalaya state, here we have the place Monsinram, world's heaviest rainfall receiving area. Okay, so when Bay of Bengal branch enter India from the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, as these winds proceed, there are Garo, Khasi, Jayantia hills which are playing role as a barrier, obstruct these winds, and this windward side, the part which is facing these winds, receive very good amount of rainfall. On the opposite side, as you can see, these are the hills on the opposite, so this will be this area will be the opposite side area, where there is you can take the example of place Shillong, okay, which is on the leeward side. This opposite area is on the leeward side or the rain shadow area. So this leeward side of the rain shadow area receive very less rainfall. So you can understand the difference. Windward side facing the wind, part facing the wind, part of the relief feature which is facing the wind receive good amount of rainfall. Opposite side of the hills, mountains receive very less rainfall. So that opposite side where rainfall is less, rainfall is scanty, known as rain shadow area or the leeward side area. Okay, I hope now everything is very clear.